how to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just open your browser, and then once you're here type once you're here, click these 3 points and then go to history, and now go to clear browsing data, go to advanced now and select all of those, and then select this one here, browsing history, and select all time, and then click clear data, and now just try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now just if that doesn't fix your problem, just try to create a new account on ChatGPT and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.